C. C is for what?
G for apple.
No.
What?
Cat.
G for apple.
Cat. A is for apple.
A for apple.
There you go.
This is apple.
No.
A for kitty.
C for cat.
T for cat.
K is for kitty.
This.
A is for apple.
No.
No.
A for crocodile.
C is for crocodile.